May I say one part of the water cycle?
Okay, so me, but just let me repeat the question again.
Yes,
Guys, I'm gonna
okay.
mute you all now. Because I can still can hear my voice being repeated. So guys, if we have like brothers and sisters in the sessions and I already called your names, so you guys can now use only one device if you want. Okay, now the question again, why do you think water cycle is important? So Abdurrahman said that it's important because most of our bodies are actually water. So yes, more than
Something else.
60% of our bodies
And something else.
are
And
water.
something else. I want to add something else.
Okay, I will just take all the name. I will take all the suggestions. Muhammad said that there is precipitation in the water cycle. Yes, Muhammad, that's right. One of the steps or one of the stages in the water cycle is actually precipitation. Well done. Yes, yes, Rugmini first because Rugmini was first. Yes, Rugmini.
Okay, okay.
Evaporation,
Yes, there
a
is
part of
evaporation. It's one of the stages too. Thank you so much,
the
Rugmini.
first
Yes.
stage. It is the first stage.
The first stage, yes, it's the first stage. Do you want to say anything else?
No, no.
Thank you so much, Rugmini. Thank you so much. Yes, Abdulrahman?
And also, it's good to learn about water cycle because the earth is made up of 70% water and the land 30%.
Because of what, Habibi? I didn't hear this.
The earth is made up of 70% water and 30% land. And
Yes,
the, yes,
that's right. More than 70%. Actually, it's like 71 to 72. Yes, 71 or 72% of the Earth is also made up of water. That's why we are called the blue planet. Because we
mm.
look so blue from the outer space because of the much water covering our planet. Yes, well done.
Miss Noha, do you know Uranus planet? Uh, uh, I don't. Okay, okay, no problem. I
Venus.
don't know how to say
You didn't I know about what?
Uranus.
Uranus?
A planet
Okay, which planet?
Venus يعني.
called Uranus. Is from outside, all of it blue.
Yes.
Do you know it?
Well, I know it's in a blue color, but it's
It's
not
not
called the blue
water.
planet. I mean, they only call us the blue planet.
Because of what? Because of the water.
Yes, because of the water. But Uranus is actually with this color not because it contains water. I think because it has more than
Because the
the
temperature there.
fastest winds. Yes?
Because the
Because
temperature.
Yes? Because I can't hear
Muhammad
you.
Venus
said
is
because
blue.
Muhammad said because of the temperature.
Yes, and it's tilted too. It's known to be tilted. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Reem, did you want to say anything?
Next, can I say the three stages
Yes,
in
you can
the
say whatever you want. Yes, we're still taking the suggestions from everyone. Yes,
they
Reem.
are condensation, precipitation, evaporation. They are the three stages in the water cycle.
Yes, well done, Reem. But you said it, you didn't say them in order, right? You just mentioned them.
Yes.
Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Reem. Yes, we have these three stages in the water cycle. And do you know that there is another process or stage called transpiration? It happens in plants. If we have time today, we would watch a video of how plants, even plants, have this process called transpiration where the water itself evaporates from the plant. Okay? Now, Tahir, did you want to say anything, Tahir?
Also, I just wanted to say I will leave from this device. Unmute Farah and Tahir. If you ask me or Farah, unmute Farah and Tahir. I will leave from this device.
Okay, Tahir, you can leave from this device. It's okay.
Miss,
Editu?
I want to say something.
Okay, Abdurrahman, but we need to give your friends a chance.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
Aditu, you wanted to say
Yes,
something?
yes. The rain that happens, we just filter the water and just drink it.
The
So
what?
half of the water comes from like the water that rains, we filter the water and then drink it.
I didn't hear you. I think you're so far from your mic, or there is a problem with your mic.
The water that we drink is come from rain. We filter the water and then drink it.
No, I'm still having a problem, Aditu. Can you please send what you want to say? Send it in the chat, please. Okay. Muhammad, do you want to say anything else?
Yes, I wanted to say a fact about the stage called the precipitation. How
Okay.
it does. So there is a type of moisture. I don't know what's called, but there is a moisture. It makes like in the process, it makes the weather. It's so cold, and it forms like above the cloud. Of course, it forms like a big cloud full of ice,
There are
and then
different types of clouds, actually.
no,
Um,
I didn't say different types of clouds. Like it's full of ice, and when the cloud come near to the ground, the temperature it's gonna be high and high. Then it contains water in it. Then it drops precipitation.
yes, so the clouds keeps collecting the water vapor or the water droplets, and then once it's the time for them to rain, all this water droplets will fall down, and that's why we feel actually that the rain is so small. But some
Yes,
of the clouds, instead of
contains
producing rain, like Muhammad said, they start producing snow,
yes.
and
And
that
when
happens.
the cloud comes near to the ground, the temperature is gonna be higher and higher, and then it transfers to water and come down. And maybe in cold places like Alaska, it's still gonna be snowy, and that's how it snows.
Okay, thank you so much, Muhammad, for these information. Thank you so much. Leila?
Miss,
Yes?
I send you the plant. Can you show it to the class?
You send me the picture? Yes, but I
Yeah.
said before that I'm not gonna show picture one by one. I told you guys to send me all the pictures, and then I will collect them all and make just something like an album or something. I don't know what's it called, like when you collect all the pictures in one big picture.
And edit.
Well, yes, I'm gonna edit all the pictures. That's what I mean, and put them in all in one picture, and then show it to you guys all at once. Because we don't have enough time during the sessions. That's it, later. So I don't have enough time now to let everyone show his plant. But
Okay.
let me tell you something. If we had time tomorrow, okay, I will try, inshallah, as much as possible to like make time for you guys. Mustafa, please take off this color or this line you made. Ah, I knew it wasn't Mustafa, Allah. So guys, I think that's it. We still have Abdurrahman. He wanted to say something at last. What do you want to say, Abdurrahman?
I no longer want to say something.
You what?
I no longer want to say something somebody else said it.
Someone else said it? Okay. But
Yes,
thank you guys for sharing your information today. So yes, most of the things you said were true. What is water cycle? So water cycle is like a life cycle but for water. So water keeps moving around the earth, or moving, from the evaporation process, like being gas into being liquid and then being gas again and so on. So this process is actually continuous. But first, almost all the water in the planet, as you guys know, can be found in the oceans. And that's why, again, we are called the blue planet, like Abdurrahman mentioned. Like more than 70% of the planet is covered with water. But this is not fresh water, this is actually salt water. These are the oceans. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. But though though it's oceans, guys, but water still moves. Water still,
Oh,
yes, still keeps
moves.
on moving. Yes. So Earth doesn't have this much of source for fresh water. We learned about this last year, if you guys remember,
Yes.
because we just
Yes.
said like more than 70% of the water on Earth is actually salty water. So
Yes.
it cannot be used for drinking then. Okay, so the earth has only a limited amount of water, and the water keeps moving around and around. So, where is it all going? So, you guys mentioned a lot of the steps, which were true. So, we can say that they move from sky to earth. Water moves
Yes.
from the atmosphere to the in the sky down to the earth and then back up again to the atmosphere, and just this cycle keeps on going and it doesn't stop. As long as we have the sun, as long as the water droplets form clouds, we will still keep
Okay.
on having this cycle over and over again.
Over
So,
again.
yes, so do you guys think that water cycle ends?
No.
Yeah, so does it have a beginning
No,
or
it's
an end?
infinite.
Yes, it doesn't have
No.
a beginning or an end. We
Keeps
just
on
say it's
going.
a
It
cycle.
goes.
That's why we
It,
call it cycle. It's like a circle, comes from the word circle, which means doesn't have a beginning or an end. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna mute you because I keep hearing a background noise.
Miss.
Adito and Abdulrahman, do you guys still have any questions? Because you're still raising
Miss.
your hands. Yes, Basil.
Miss. Yesterday was my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, Basil. Did you enjoy yesterday? Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yes,
That's enough for us,
the
for you
only
to be happy. Happy
yes,
birthday.
the only annoying thing in birthdays that we cannot invite our friends this years because coronavirus.
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, I know, but you guys can
The
join each
saddest
other by
thing.
Zoom sessions if you want.
Yes, we can.
Okay, but happy birthday, Basil. You guys, you can say happy birthday to Basil, everyone.
Can we sing a
Happy
happy
birthday,
birthday?
Basil.
Happy birthday. Happy
Happy
birthday,
Happy
birthday.
Abby.
birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday.
Bassett.
Happy birthday to Basil.
Miss.
Okay,
Miss.
that's nice. Thank you, guys. Yes?
My birthday is February 18th. It's so
Thank you.
Yeah,
like
so it will
still
be in the
more
midterm
8 days.
holiday.
Yes, I'm the first one
Yes.
saying happy birthday to her,
And
and
my
I
birthday
still
is
remember
Monday.
her birthday.
Okay. Anyway, happy
Wait.
birthday to everyone. Happy birthday to everyone whose birthday will be in the midterm holiday, which will be, good. It will be in a
My
holiday.
birthday is March 6th.
But you guys, if you still yeah, face the problem of meeting each other in birthdays, you can actually join by Zoom meeting. That will be also fun. Okay?
Yes,
Miss
Yes?
Jumana said that her birthday is in 18 February
Yes.
Yes.
because my birthday 14 February.
Oh, so you are in the same month then.
And
You're
Basil
in the
also
same
and,
month.
and Basil 9 February.
Oh, yeah.
Miss,
So you
I'm
all guys in the
interesting.
same
Miss,
month.
why all the boys are in February and I'm just the only girl?
It's okay. There must be other
Miss,
girls born in February. Okay,
March.
guys, I will have to move faster now because we do not
Miss,
want to waste time. Yes.
me and Farida are on 6th October.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, we are
This
twin
day,
sisters, but
it's a
not at
day
the
off
same.
anyway.
Yeah.
Yes, so happy birthday to everyone. Hope you guys will have nice birthdays this year, and I hope you will be happier than you are and be blessed with a lot of blessings from God, and also stay positive all the time. And stay positive, like in a good way, and active like you guys are and during the sessions, and yeah, and be whatever you want to be. Whoever
Thank you,
wants
Miss
to
Nora.
be, I wish you will be what you really want to be. So, guys, now we'll have to move to the water cycle. Can we go back to the water cycle now?
Of course.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you for sharing me this. And happy birthday for all the upcoming birthdays. Okay. So yes,
It's mine.
to summarize the water cycle, we can say it's
Like
the water.
September 1. We're
Yes.
so mine is September 1. We're so far.
Oh, yeah, but I mean, days move fast now.
October 26th.
Miss, no, my
Okay.
brother
So guys,
is
I
like
think that's
January.
enough. That's enough for birthdays because I mean we only have one session today, unfortunately, so we don't have enough time to talk. But I really do
Miss,
want
I
to
will
talk
join
with you
from
all.
my lap.
But yes,
Miss, I'm gonna join from my laptop.
okay, you can do that. Okay, guys. So to summarize what is a water cycle, or to make it easy, we can say that it's the movement. Okay, wait a second. Guys, it was Layla who said that she's going to leave, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So just let me admit her because I have Layla Muhammad, so I want to make sure it's Layla. So back again, guys, to what we were saying. Now the water cycle is the water moving from the atmosphere to the ground or to the Earth's surface and then back to the atmosphere again. So just a continuous movement. Okay. Now, during this process, water will be changing. It will not be the same, but still water, but only changing its state or its physical appearance. Like it can be a gas, can be liquid, it can be solid if it's an ice falling down. So, yes, during this water cycle, the water will be changing. It will be
Changing.
yes, but do you
Changing.
think like changing in a chemically way, like the water itself will not be water anymore? No, it's still water, but in different shapes. So maybe one time it will be solid, one time it will be liquid, other time it will be gas. Yes, so the process of moving and changing water is actually called the water cycle. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just let me change my pointer here. Okay. So the process, as you guys can see, of moving and uh, changing water
It's
is
called
actually
Water.
called the water cycle.
water cycle.
Yes. Do we have Jaida with us now? Do we have Jaida? Because she's admitting. Okay, I hope it's Jaida anyway. Okay, now the water cycle. As we said, the process of how water circulates. Circulates here, it comes from the word circle, which means moves
Okay.
around the earth. Yes? Yes? Some of you guys were asking a question. Someone asked a question. Someone asked a question. Okay, I don't think so. Maybe I heard you by mistake. Okay, okay. So, guys, the water cycle again, as we said, it's the process through which we can say water moves or we can say water circulates around the earth. Okay. And there are three main parts of this water cycle, and you guys mentioned them all: precipitation, evaporation, and condensation. Again, precipitation, evaporation, and
Evaporation,
condensation.
condensation.
You guys already know this from last year, right? You
Yes.
remember?
Yes.
We also
Yes.
took this lesson in an online session, I think. It's still online now. Okay. So let's start first with precipitation. What do you guys think we should say about precipitation? Huh?
May I answer?
Yes, Rugmin, you can answer.
Precipitation means when the water evaporates, it starts to fall down as sleet, snow, or rain.
Yes, Rugmini, well
Ismaha?
done. So it's yes, I can hear you. but I just dropped my mic. I'm sorry about this. Okay. Yes, Rukmini,
No.
that's right. Precipitation is when water falls down from the sky, as you said. It could be rain, like liquid water, or it could be snow, right?
Or sleet.
Yes,
Yes.
sleet or hail. Yes, we have different types of snow falling down. Well done. So,
Sorry,
yes,
what's a
precipitation is
hail?
just a fancy word for rain. It can also appear as sleet or snow or hail. Do you guys know hail?
No.
Yes,
Well, it's the big
I
giant
know.
pieces of ice.
No.
They can actually break some cars. Do you
Yeah.
know that? Like when people have hail
Yes.
in their countries, they start to
Okay.
hiding from it.
Miss,
It's like
Break
it
the glass
becomes
of the
giant
blizzard.
car.
pieces.
Yes.
It's like giant pieces of ice falling down, like as the size as a rock, as the size of a rock. So yes, they can break down windows and cars and stuff like that. And so dangerous.
Miss Noah, Miss
Yes.
Noah, we took it before with Miss Mayada and Sister Study.
Okay. So you really studied about this in social. Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes, Mohammed.
more. In
It
term one.
makes blizzards.
It what, Habibi?
It makes blizzards.
Yes, sometimes we call it severe weather, which is dangerous also. So during precipitation, as Rugmini mentioned, the water is leaving the sky and coming back down onto the earth. And precipitation happens when air is so full of water, it cannot hold it anymore. When the clouds cannot hold any more water droplets, and then the rain begins to fall to the ground, and you better get, of course, an umbrella with you. I mean, if you guys living in a place where there is a continuous rain, people just keep moving with their umbrella all the time to protect themselves. Okay, so yes, that's right. That was precipitation. So again, guys, precipitation is when the water falls down to the ground. We'll watch a video
Yes.
after mentioning those three types because today we're having only an introduction to this lesson, and then the meeting will be over. Okay, guys. Then
Okay.
evaporation. Evaporation is when the liquid water turns into gas, which means it will go up in the sky again. So evaporation is a process of water turning into steam,
Turn into steam.
or we can say water vapor. It's the same meaning. What happens
Yes.
when you boil water? You guys can see some steam coming out when you boil some water. This is
Yes.
actually the water vapor. Yes, it's the water turning into gas now. It's turning from liquid into gas, changing
To
its
gas.
state. Yes. The same happens to the oceans and seas. The sun is heating up the surface of the oceans and seas and also turning liquid water into gas. Or we can say water vapor. Then we have condensation. As this water vapor moves up in the sky, it becomes cooler and turns back into liquid, but it's so small droplets of water. We don't say water drops even. We say water droplets. It's even smaller than the water drop. Okay? So
Okay.
condensation is the process through which the gas, huh? The gas state of the water will turn back into a liquid state. So, guys, today was just an introduction. Okay. It was only an
Okay.
introduction to this lesson. So, let's watch this video because we still have less than 5 minutes. So let's watch this video and then the meeting will be over. Okay.
Okay.
Guys,
My
do you need
plant died.
anything?
No.
My
Okay.
plant